that poppin' Zannies at my place. She think that she cannot be replaced.
Hello, everybody, and thank you very much for checking back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gary Crony here with another video. And in this video, I actually want to break down my two trades for the day. I kind of want to talk about why I got in them, a little bit about the two companies and where I'm at right now, what I plan on doing with them. So let's get started. So right here, the first company we have is DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. And this one was actually a very interesting one because I looked at it over the 20-day chart, and I see here that there was a solid support right at $58. You know, it's clearly visible that once it pulled back, it went up, it tested, and then it found support, ended up driving the price up, hit highs of $74 before a recent pullback. And right away, I was paying attention to this area right here. So if we look at the 1-day, 5-minute, yesterday, right as soon as the market opens up, there's a bullish for 10 minutes. And then after that, it just pulls back. It drops about 8%. And then I noticed it tests this $58 mark. So I was very interested to see what happened. So in the morning, I ended up taking this position actually right around 5 o'clock in the morning. I believe my average purchase price is $59. I took a small position. I bought about 50 shares, which came out to about $3,000. And I kind of just wanted to see what happened. I was planning on cutting losses at 2% below $58. So once the morning ended up opening up, you know, there was a nice candlestick. I was up, stock pulled back, tested, and found support at 58 and found another support at 58.50. So after going all the way up, there was a clear resistance point right here. So I was very interested to see what happened. So my objective, my plan with this one is to actually hold this stock. I'd like to see it be more bullish for the rest of the week. That $61 mark, that was a resistance point, but it ended up breaking above it, consolidated, and it looked like it closed after hours at $61. I think one huge catalyst for this company was that Goldman Sachs actually raised their target price from $78 to $84, and that alone could be a catalyst. You know, that was one reason why I picked up the stock, and also the fact that they rated it a strong buy. So with 50 shares, currently I'm standing at $99 profit, $99.50, average purchase price of $59 and a penny. So now looking bad. And then the other company I got into was SOS. And this company I've been doing very well on, extremely well on. I actually have probably made about $3,000-4,000 year to date on this company. This company actually follows Bitcoin for the most part, but as of recently, with Bitcoin being very bullish, this has been doing the exact opposite. So while I was on the computer during pre-market hours, I watched this huge drop. Within 15 minutes, the stock pulled back 23%. It was unbelievable. So I ended up waiting on the bounce, and then I ended up taking another small position size, 300 shares, average purchase price of $4.66, which is about, you know, right here. I bought this one as well during the pre-market hours. Waited. Right around this point, I ended up hitting that $100 mark, and it pulled back right after hours and ended up hitting highs of me profiting about $150. So I kind of just, you know, this one I'm looking to swing as well. We'll see how it goes for the next 2 days, because I believe Bitcoin has been very bullish. Yeah, Bitcoin has been very bullish. So it's really peculiar to see that they're not going well. But I had just got out of one of my finance classes today, and my professor was actually talking about the Chinese hedge fund, where one of the managers was hedging stocks incorrectly, and as a result created turmoil in the market. You know, a lot of companies that were not supposed to go up ended up shooting up, and some companies remained stagnant and did not follow the market. So that was one interesting thing I took into consideration. But yeah, it was just seeing that huge pullback. I was going to manage my risk. I was willing to lose, 5% for a potential chance to make more. I only put in about $1,300 into this company. So as of right now, I am up 7%, which is a very, very pretty good gain. Honestly, at one point I was up around 13%. I was looking to increase my position size, but I was planning on swinging this one, so I'm not too interested in it. Yeah, this stock was a very good one for me. But yeah, thank you guys again. I just wanted to make a quick video, breaking down a couple of trades. And today was actually one of my off days. I had class today, so it was actually very nice to be able to trade again. I did take a break from trading a little bit just because of the immense volatility within the market. And as of right now, that is not something I want to partake in. Cash is a position. So you stepping back and just watching the market is very important too. And another thing I noticed is that a lot of these stocks was actually following the futures. So like if you can see here at 8 o'clock, the NASDAQ future, pulled up, pushed up, pulled right back down, pushed right back up, pulled down, started consolidating, didn't find a true direction. So that's another reason why. But now it looks like it's looking really good. If we can see it break above into the 13,000s within this week and stay there, that'd be very nice. That should be about less than 1%. So I'm very interested to see what will happen for the next week. If you guys have any questions, please leave some comments down. I love answering questions. I love when people reach out to me on Instagram, this and that. I just feel like I should be posting a video out. And now that I got back into trading, very nice for me to do that. So thank you guys and take it easy.